Hi, I just want to make a quick video to show you how I was able to figure out to fix these rust. I have a house that has natural stone. See, it looks like that. So it's brick and stone, and the natural stone after about a year start to show this rust where the natural stone actually have iron inside the stone, and when it's being rained on with regular water and oxidation, it started to rust. So when it rusts, it shows really bad like that. And so we just fixed some area. Let me show you, like up there was a big rust. We just apply this chemical called Naval Jelly. I'm going to show it to you right now. So it's made by Loctite, Naval Jelly, rust dissolver. I'll put a link at the bottom in the description where you can buy this Naval Jelly. And let me show you how we apply it. So basically, we're gonna get the drill. We have to scrape off some part of the rust first. So I have this drill that is attached with a brush because I'm lazy, and so you just drill it. Okay, so you can tell that I already removed some good amount of it, and now we're gonna apply the Naval Jelly on a brush, and we're just gonna wipe it. I'm sorry, it's actually raining right now, which is still okay because after you apply it, you're supposed to wait 5 to 10 minutes for the chemical to work, and it reacts. And after you do that, then you need to rinse with water. So, and that's about it. This stuff actually works really good. This, as you can see, this rust was very bad, and it actually prevents the rust from coming back. I'm going to show you an area of rust that I applied a while ago. A while ago is like a year ago. Okay, so this was really bad last year, and so it's been a year ago, and we applied Naval Jelly, and you can see this white area where the Naval Jelly was treated. It kind of bleached the stone, and you can still see the iron ore right there. So it's starting to rust down again after a year, and but it's not nearly as bad within the first year after I applied the Naval Jelly. So I'm gonna apply it again, and that's gonna probably last another 2 years. So yeah, that's it. Just want to show you this this treatment. For a little bit I was asking a lot of people, and nobody really knows how to fix this issue, but my wife found the solution and it works. I just want to share it with everybody who has a house with natural stone. Thank you. Here's the result of that same spot that we treated yesterday with Naval Jelly, and see how it's all cleared up and the rust has been eaten away.